In this video, you'll learn how to add Calendly to your Framer project. By following these steps, you will successfully embed your Calendly scheduling link into your Framer website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to calendly.com. This is where you will manage your scheduling settings and retrieve the embed code necessary for Framer. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your Calendly account. After logging in, find the three dots on your event type list. This can be located next to the specific event type you wish to embed. Clicking these three dots will open a drop-down menu that contains various options related to that event. Next, select the option labeled Add to Website from the drop-down menu. This action will bring up several embedding options, including inline embed, pop-up, and more. Choose the inline embed option to continue embedding your Calendly link directly into your Framer project. Once you select the inline embed option, click on the Continue button. This will lead you to a new screen where you can customize your embed settings, such as display options and color schemes. Make sure to adjust these settings to match your website's design. After customizing your settings, look for the button that says Copy Code. Click on this button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. It is important to ensure you have copied the entire code, as any missing part may prevent the embed from functioning correctly. Now, navigate to framer.com in a new tab. Once the page loads, click on New Project to start a fresh project. If you already have a project in mind, you can select that instead. After creating or selecting your project, you will need to click on a template to use as a base for your design. Choose any template that suits your needs, as this will serve as the foundation of your website. Once you have your template open, look for the Insert option in the toolbar. Clicking this will provide you with various components you can add to your project. In the search bar, type the word Ed. This will filter the options to show only the embed component, making it easier for you to locate. Select the embed option from the filtered results. This will place an embed component into your project, ready for you to insert your code. On the right side of the screen, you will see an option labeled HTML. Click on this to open a text area where you can paste your previously copied embed code. Paste the code into the HTML section. Double check that the entire code is pasted correctly, as any discrepancies may affect the functionality of the embed. Finally, click on the center area of your Framer project to finalize the embedding process. This confirms the adjustments you have made and ensures that the embed is properly integrated into your design. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.